I finally got access to the TikTok Shop affiliate program and I decided to play with it the last weekend, and this thing is broken, okay? This thing is broken and it's a little bit insane to me that this is how this works, okay? So in this video, I want to tell you what happened and how much money I made during the period of 3 days, okay? So let's start with the beginning. How to get TikTok Shop affiliate program, okay? Currently, there are two ways, okay? One of them requires you to open a TikTok Shop account. And once you have a TikTok Shop account, that will let you inside the TikTok Shop affiliate program. This is called a loophole method. And with that method, you don't need to have any followers, any likes. You can do this with a brand new TikTok account, okay? And the second method requires from you to have 5,000 followers, okay? And that one obviously requires from you more work because you need to get followers. And this is the route I went with, okay? I decided that I want to have 5,000 followers on my TikTok account. And the reason being why I went with this method is because I have a really hard time opening a TikTok Shop account. Every time I try to open a new one, TikTok is just shutting me down. So I decided let's just get the 5,000 followers and do it that way. And well, here I am now. Okay, once I got approved to the TikTok Shop affiliate, I had to figure out what type of products I'm gonna sell. And I am a data guy, so I always look in the data, okay? And some of you guys recommended to me using Data, which is a product research tool built for TikTok, okay? This software tells you a lot. It shows you a lot of stuff, okay? But most importantly, what interests me, I wanna see the top selling affiliate products, okay? So what I did is I went to two categories, okay? I went to Creator Hub because I wanna see what are the best sellers here, as well as live streaming because I was planning to do some live streaming as well. And I was just browsing their top categories, okay? So for example, for this week, the top product for the live streaming is this sunglasses, okay? So this live stream, someone hosted for 3 hours and generated $174,000 within those 3 hours selling these sunglasses, okay? And it looks like there's another live stream that did the exact same thing. They promoted the same product and generated $165,000, okay? Within 4 hours of live streaming. So I just wanted to see what Data will show me, what type of products they will show me that are performing right now on TikTok. And I purchased these products from TikTok Shop myself, okay? So here are the best selling products in the creator category. And one of them is actually the one I ordered. So I actually ordered this thing right here, the neck and shoulder. Also ordered this collagen thing too, because I've seen a couple of live streamers showing this product. I can see there's one store right here, the second store right here. Also ordered this thing right here. And since I never purchased anything from TikTok, I had a lot of coupons. They gave me a lot of discounts. So there's a lot of money upfront that I had to spend in order to start promoting products on TikTok affiliate, but I think it was worth it at the end. Also, if you want to get Data, use my link. It's an affiliate link, but it's also gonna give you a discount. I'm not gonna lie, Data is a very good product research tool, but it's kind of pricey. So if you wanna save up extra money, just use my link because you're gonna get 10% discount, okay? So I ordered a bunch of products, but I still needed to get them delivered, okay? And I ordered them on Tuesday. And on Friday, I got 2 of them. So I decided to make TikTok affiliate videos on Friday and see how it goes. So this is one of the products. These are diffuser oils that you can buy on TikTok. They were going viral that week. Also got this little machine that turns them around so I can use this for the showcase whenever I want to show people what the products looks like. I also got this heat massager that you can put on your neck and shoulders and it will massage you. And this thing is actually blowing up right now. I mean, all the products I ordered are blowing up, but that week was very popular. It was the #1 selling product according to Data. So I had 2 products that I could play with, and here's what happened. Okay, so this is my TikTok creator dashboard. So I'm going to show you now the statistics and explain to you what happened that day, okay? So let's go to the TikTok creator shop center. As you can see, today is Monday and I made $3. I don't know how because I didn't post anything, but somehow I made $3. But now let me break it down the data for you, okay? So let's go to custom. Let's go to days. And I started on Friday the 12th. So let's pick that. Okay, so on Friday, I posted a video with that neck massager, and as you can see, I got 1 sold, okay? And my commission was $5.25, okay? And I started kind of late. I posted that video at night, so it didn't really do well, as you can see. I got only a couple hundred views. And also, I didn't know what I'm doing, to be honest with you. I think my hook was very weak. The video itself was pretty weak, in my opinion. So I only got 1 sale from a very bad video, okay? Now, let's go to Saturday. So it's gonna be the 13th. And here things got a little bit better, okay? So I sold 14 units of that massager thing, right? And it generated me $73 in commission, okay? So clearly things got better on Saturday, but on Saturday I didn't post any videos, okay? I didn't do any videos. What I did instead is a live stream, okay? So it was just me sitting on a chair with the massager on, and I was just talking about the massager, how great it is, and that people should check out the discount that's happening right now because the massager was on sale. And also if you got coupons, you will be able to get it for an even cheaper price, okay? So I noticed that whenever you mention coupons and encourage people to go to the product page to see how much discount they're gonna get, people would click it more often, okay? So I would live stream for about 2.5 hours, and these are the results we got, okay? And then on Sunday, I decided to promote a different product. I decided to promote these oils that I was just showing you, and I was live streaming for a total of 3 hours, and I sold 200 units, 204 units of those, okay? We generated $1,100 profit for the seller, and my commission was $159, okay? And Sunday was clearly my best day, okay? And again, I just did the live stream for 3 hours that generated me $159, okay? My live stream was averaging about 100 views all the time. And again, the thing that works for me is encouraging people to use the discounts, okay? So there was a deal going on that if they buy 4 more bottles, they're gonna get a free shipping. So every now and then I would just say how great the product is, and then I would mention that if they order 4 of those, they're gonna get the free shipping, okay? Also, I got a couple more sales here and there from random videos that I posted. And the final sum for these 3 days of selling come up to be $279, okay? That's my commission. So the TikTok affiliate program, it's working, okay? It's clearly working well. And the live streaming was very easy. It was just repeating the same thing over and over again for a couple of hours. And it seems like TikTok is really pushing those TikTok product live streams. So it wasn't really hard to get attention. Now I want to focus more on producing videos because videos seems to more scalable because I can just make a video, it's going to be posted there, and I don't have to sit and talk about the product all over and over again, just like you have to do it with the live streaming. Videos just seems more scalable. So I'm gonna play with that now, but TikTok affiliate program works. Again, if you want to try TikTok affiliate program for yourself, try the loophole method, try to open a TikTok shop, connect it to your TikTok account, and they will give you access to the TikTok affiliate. Or you can go the route I went with, which is getting the 5,000 followers, but this is going to take you some time, okay? If you want to use the Calo data, don't forget to use my link to get a 10% discount. Again, it's a pricey product research tool, so if you can save a little bit of money on that tool, it's for sure very helpful. And if you want to join us, my community, go to the dropshippingguild.com. Gonna get access to our network. We currently open a new program within our Discord. It's called Guild Partnership, meaning if you're looking for a partner that you can work with together on a business, let's say it's a TikTok shop, dropshipping store, or maybe you want to work on Etsy store or something, and you just want to kind of outsource certain task and you want to partner up with someone that has similar interests and similar mindset like you, go to the dropshippingguild.com, join our Discord, and you're going to see the partnership program on the top of the screen, okay? But there's a bunch of other benefits that you get if you join us, such as courses, monthly dropshipping products list, and etc. Just check it out, okay? But that's all I have for you. If you enjoyed this, leave a like. I'll see you next time. Bye.